There are secrets hiding in plain sight that could be costing you thousands in repairs you don't need? What if a tube of toothpaste could save you from a $500 headlight replacement? Or a hidden button combo on your key fob could save you from melting into your seat on a hot day? Over the next few minutes, we're going to show you the maintenance and organization hacks that most people never find. So, stick around, because the last tip we share could completely change how you own a car. Hack number 1, the instant headlight restorer. Are your headlights getting that ugly, yellow, foggy look? That cloudy haze isn't just a cosmetic problem, it can seriously cut down on your visibility at night. Now, before you go shell out hundreds for a professional fix, try this. Grab some basic white toothpaste. Its mild abrasives are surprisingly good at polishing away that surface level yellowing. Just rub it onto the headlight with a cloth in firm, circular motions, rinse it with clean water, and you should see a real difference. Temporary fix that's great in a pinch. It won't provide the UV protection of a proper restoration kit, but it's a 5-minute trick that makes your car look way better and helps you see more clearly. Hack number 2, the secret key fob command. There's nothing worse than getting into a car that's been sitting in the sun all day. Blasting the AC. Try this little trick. Stand outside your car, press the unlock button on your key fob once, and then immediately press and hold it down again. On a lot of cars from brands like Honda, Kia, Volkswagen, and Toyota, this command will automatically roll down all the windows and sometimes even open the sunroof, letting all that hot air escape before you even open the door. Feature isn't on every single model, so check your owner's manual to see if your car has it, but for those that do, it's a total game changer in the summer. Hack number 3, the cup holder perfection hack. Are you tired of the sticky, crumb-filled gunk that builds up at the bottom of your cup holders? Solution is ridiculously simple: silicone cupcake liners. They fit perfectly inside most cup holders, creating a little removable bin that catches all the drips, spills, and crumbs. When they get gross, you just pop them out, rinse them off, and your cup holders are spotless. It's a cheap, brilliant trick that keeps one of the dirtiest spots in your car permanently clean. Hack number 4, the pet hair vanisher. If you've got a dog, you know their hair weaves itself into your car's seats and carpet, and a vacuum, the secret weapon? Just drag the rubber edge firmly across the upholstery. The friction and static will pull up and collect all that stubborn, embedded hair into a nice, easy to vacuum pile. It works way better than a lint roller, and it's faster, too. Section 2, maintenance hacks that save you thousands. Hack number 5, the Italian tune-up. This next one is an old school trick that mechanics have been talking about for years. If most of your driving is slow, stop and go city traffic, carbon can build up inside your engine and hurt performance. The fix is something called an Italian tune-up. It doesn't take any tools. Once your engine is fully warmed up, find an open stretch of highway and, when it's safe to do so, accelerate firmly for a short burst, getting the engine RPMs up higher than usual. This heat and pressure can help burn off some of those carbon deposits from the valves and cylinders. While modern engines and fuels make this less of a necessity, it can still help clean things out a bit. Just remember to do it safely, and know that it's not a substitute for proper maintenance. Hack number 6, the windshield chip stopper. You're driving down the freeway, a truck throws a rock, and smack, you've got a tiny chip in your windshield. Do not ignore it. That little chip can spread into a huge crack overnight, forcing you to replace the whole windshield. To stop it from spreading until you can get to a repair shop, put a small dab of clear nail polish right in the center of the chip. This is just a temporary fix, but it will help seal out moisture and dirt, which can prevent the chip from spreading when the temperature changes. Hack number 7, the cable tamer. Is your center console just a tangled nest of charging cables? You've probably got the solution sitting on your desk right now, a binder clip. Just clip one onto the side of your air vent or your center console. You can then thread your cables through the 2 little metal arms, keeping them perfectly organized, untangled, and right where you need them. No more digging around for a cable when you should be focused on the road. Section 3, creative tricks for everyday annoyances. Hack number 8, the antifreeze door seal. Have you ever been locked out of your car in the winter because the doors were literally frozen shut? To stop this from happening, just wipe a thin layer of cooking spray or a silicone lubricant on the rubber seals around your car doors. This creates a waterproof barrier that stops ice from forming and gluing your door to the frame. It's a 2-minute job in the fall that will save you a huge headache on a frozen morning. Hack number 9, the frozen lock savior. So what if you didn't do the last hack, and now your actual door lock is frozen solid? Don't panic, and please, don't pour hot water on it, that can damage the lock and your car's paint. The solution is probably already in your pocket: hand sanitizer. The alcohol in hand sanitizer melts ice almost instantly. Just put a little bit on your key, gently work it into the lock, and the ice will dissolve in seconds. Hack number 10, the pro driver's secret to longevity. Want to know one of the biggest differences between a car that dies at 100,000 miles and one that makes it to 250,000? It's not just about maintenance, it's about how smooth you are behind the wheel. Every time you slam on the gas or hit the brakes hard, you're putting a ton of stress on your engine, transmission, and brakes, which wears them out way faster. Driving smoothly doesn't just save you a ton of money on gas, it dramatically extends the life of your car's most expensive parts. Hack number 11, the transmission protector. This is a habit that can save you from a multi-$1,000 transmission repair. Never, and I mean never, shift from reverse to drive while the car is still rolling backward, or from drive to reverse while it's still rolling forward. That little jolt puts a massive shock load on your transmission's gears. Always, always, always come to a full and complete stop before you change directions. It seems like a tiny thing, but over the years, it makes a huge difference. Hack number 12, the filter upgrade secret. When your mechanic says it's time to change your engine air filter, listen to them. Clogged air filter literally chokes your engine, which tanks your performance and fuel economy. But here's the pro tip: don't just grab the cheapest one on the shelf. Spending a few extra bucks on a high-quality filter is worth it. Better filters don't just improve airflow for a little more power, they do a much better job of trapping tiny contaminants, protecting your engine from long-term damage. Hack number 13, the tire rotation money saver. Hearing it's time to rotate your tires might sound like a boring, routine upsell, but it's one of the easiest ways to save real money. Your front tires wear down way faster than your rears. By rotating them every 6,000 to 8,000 miles, you let them wear down evenly, which can almost double their lifespan. That means you're buying new sets of tires half as often, saving you hundreds of dollars. Hack number 14, the backseat command center. If you have kids, you know the backseat can turn into a disaster zone in about 5 minutes. Here's a great fix: hang a simple shower caddy over the back of one of the front seats. The pockets are perfect for holding snacks, drinks, toys, wipes, everything you need to keep the kids happy and your car from turning into a mess. The final, game-changing hack. Hack number 15, the manufacturer's secret code. Alright, we've finally made it to the last and most important hack of them all. This is the one that can genuinely save you thousands of dollars, and it's been hiding in plain sight this whole time: your car's owner's manual. I'm not talking about the whole book, but the manufacturer's maintenance schedule inside it. Almost everyone ignores this, but it is the secret code to making your car last. It tells you exactly when you need to change not just the oil, but the transmission fluid, the coolant, and the belts, all based on what the engineers who built your car recommend. Following this schedule isn't just a suggestion, it's the single best thing you can do to prevent your engine or transmission from dying an early, expensive death. So there you have it, 15 hacks that can completely change your relationship with your car. Cleaning your headlights with toothpaste to finally understanding your car's maintenance schedule, you're now equipped to save money, cut down on frustration, and keep your car running great. Now, I want to hear from you. What's the one car hack that you swear by? Drop it in the comments below. Let's help each other out. And if you want to keep your car in top shape, subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss our next video, where we're exposing the common driving habits that are secretly ruining your engine. Thanks for watching.